Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Johnson County in north-central Texas, southeastern Parker County in north-central Texas, southern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, northeastern Hood County in north-central Texas, until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Godley, moving east at 45 miles per hour.
It's observed the hail threat. If this includes my city, ain't no way.
Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, Burleson, Cleburne, Benbrook, Crowley, Forest Hill, Granbury, Kennedale, Everman, Keene, Joshua, Alvarado, Rendon, Pecan Plantation, Venus, Edgecliff Village, and Aledo. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35W between mile markers 22 and 51. Interstate 20 between mile markers 422 and 453.
Never mind.
Interstate 30 between mile markers 2 and 3, and between mile markers 8 and 32.
Holy crap.